So let's say that you decided you want to do a podcast or you want to do YouTube, but you still want to be making sure that you're posting on Instagram and TikTok and Facebook and all of the other platforms as well. Let me tell you about my favorite way to do that and be able to show up and film everything in one day and be able to post, like I said, 700 pieces of content a week. The trick is that you want to be filming your longer form content first, you know, your 8 to 12 minute YouTube video. And then from there, you can break it up into smaller pieces. And then you take those and you put them out on Instagram or TikTok or Facebook. So you take your 8 to 10 minute YouTube video or your hour-long podcast that you're filming as well, and you chunk that up into 60-second or less segments. So in a YouTube video, maybe you get 6 to 8 segments out of that. The other thing that you're going to want to do is do everything in bulk. So prep all of your content and then show up for one day and film, you know, 10 videos or 15 videos or 20 videos, whatever you can do in one single day. Don't make a video every single day, or again, you're going to get burnt out. You don't want to be thinking about YouTube all the time, or Instagram or whatever. You don't want to be like, okay, I've got all of these clients I need to talk to. I've got all these things I need to do to run my business. Oh, and I got to make sure I shoot a video today. Spend one day a month getting all of your content for a month. You do all of your long form content, and then again, you cut it down into shorter pieces that you can put out on all the other platforms.